Good evening. I am Hansen Vera, the proud principal of Quimby Oak Middle School. Again, welcome to our open house, Lobo's Learning Showcase. I hope that as you walk through campus and in and out of classrooms, you're able to get an inside look at the tremendous work put forth by our teachers and students. This has been a pretty incredible year so far. Quimby was named a 2019 California Distinguished School. Our band achieved top honors at the CMEA Music Festival. Our wrestling team earned league champions for the 18th year in a row. Our students' projects were featured on Visit San Jose, the official travel and tourism guide for our city. And our Math Olympiad students advanced to the Math Counts State Championship for the first time in school history. Our students who continue to impress us in and out of the classroom. We are proud of their achievements and dedication of our teachers. Quimby is really an exceptional place. With that, it is at this time I'd like to share something personal with the Quimby community. It is with a heavy heart that I am missing open house this evening. I am missing the opportunity to meet and greet with our Lobot parents. I haven't publicly made an announcement to our community regarding my family's journey over the past 9 months. In July, just as I began my dream job as a school principal, my then 23-month-old daughter, Scarlett, was diagnosed with acute lymphoblastic leukemia. There have been many challenges my family has faced making sure Scarlett receives the best care possible. I'm happy to report that she's responded very well to treatment, and she is strong in her fight with cancer. The Quimby staff, teachers, the assistant principal team have been stellar. I thank Evergreen School District and people like Denise Williams who are here tonight supporting our school in my absence. Every day, I make a very conscious choice to show up to work with love in my heart for 981 Quimby Oak students. There are moments, like this evening, when the care for my daughter has to come first. It is amazing how the Quimby community comes together. Thank you for supporting Quimby, and thank you for being here this evening. I hope that our open house gives you a chance to reflect on how proud you should be of your child. I am sorry to miss this evening's event, but please know that I am here in spirit. Go Lobos. Thank you.